YouTube friends. Today we are making a cooking with kids segment. We are going to make a yummy cool salad is what we call it here, because this one is getting some orthodontic work and has to eat only soft foods. But this is great little cool salad thing to make for kids in the spring and summertime. They love it. And it's really simple with only these ingredients. Your favorite whip topping, this size, a can of cottage cheese, whatever kind you like, 1 can of crushed pineapple drained, and then whatever flavor of Jell-O you like. We picked this one, but if you wanted to change the color, like make it green, you could use lime for St. Patrick's Day, or orange for Halloween, red or for Christmas. And then you're supposed to have coconut cream, and my store didn't have coconut cream, so we got banana cream. Let's get started. All you do is mix it together. That's it.
And open it.
Yes, you can open it. It doesn't matter what order you put stuff in. This is our Jell-O. Yes, you can put it in. No, don't lick it. We got a taste tester.
Yum. It tastes like yummy.
It tastes yummy.
Yeah. It tastes like yummy. Yeah.
Now we're pouring our pudding in. It's yellow, but coconut would be better. Ours is just banana.
Oh.
And then pour the cottage cheese in behind you.
This?
Yes.
Some?
All of it.
Yum, yum, yum.
It's okay, you don't have to take that off.
Yum, yum, yum.
Just dump it. Yum, cottage cheese. We got low fat, it doesn't matter. Well, go ahead and pour in the pineapple. Can you do it?
Yeah.
Is it a little bit stuck?
Yeah.
Mommy, I'll help you a minute.
I can help her.
Okay.
Here.
Let brother try.
I love tastes like yummy. Mine tastes like yummy. Here. Some came out. Whoa.
Okay, we're gonna mix this together and add our whipped topping. What do you think? So far, so good? Who doesn't like pineapple and cottage cheese?
What is that?
Okay, doesn't look appetizing at this point, but now we're gonna add our whipped topping and it's gonna be super delicious if they keep their fingers out of it. Pour it in.
No, me do it.
All right.
Put it.
Pour it in. I think I should have used a little bit bigger bowl, but this will probably work. If you have a bigger bowl, use that one. All right, let's see how we do. Yummy already? So we're just mixing it up with my brand new turquoise spatula, silicone, that works great. We did a review on that. I'll try to put an iCard right here somewhere. It's only a few minutes long if you want to see what we think about that. And yeah, definitely a little bit bigger bowl. Let it chill about half an hour to let all the flavors mix together. And then it's ready for yummy time.
Yeah.
What do you think? Is it yummy already?
Yes.
It's good already? All right.
No.
You don't like it yet? You want to wait till the flavors mix together? All right. I like it when the flavors are mixed together too.
Okay. It tastes like yummy.
It tastes yummy. So this is what the finished product looks like. I know it's not that appetizing, but it's so good. You can put it up in little nicer containers or mix it up however you want. Tucker's finishing stirring for me. Tess is our taste tester. What do you think?
Good.
Good?
It's yummy, good.
Yummy and good?
Ooh.
So here's what it could look like as a dessert. You can also use it as a side dish, but it's yummy and your kids will love it. Have a happy spring and summer, everyone. Say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
See you next time.
Next time.
Please like our video and subscribe to our channel for more family-friendly videos twice a week. What's your final verdict? Delicious? All right. See you next time.
Next time.
The end.
The end.